Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we are on a little bit of a downtrend. There is a lot of panic in the market as Bitcoin halving event is getting so close. We are only 3 days away, but you can see that the trading volume for the whole market is starting to go very well, and especially for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is showing the left and the right shoulder is starting to form, and the price is about to go explosive. This Bitcoin halving event will be different from the rest, and you will understand why while 300 million Dogecoin snatched by a mysterious whale that's coming very soon. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Make sure we need to increase that social engagement as much as possible. Now, if we look at the overall market, you guys can see that Doge is only down 5% compared to an average downfall, which is about 10%. I mean, you can see WIF, you can see Bonk, you can see pretty much everything is down on average about 10, while Doge is actually maintaining the price quite well. Right now, we're still above the 15-cent mark, actually consolidating close to 15.5, and you can also see that the trading volume is actually holding on very strongly. It's up about 6%, but it's still sitting at a close average of around the same area. Now, these are important pointers which were actually pointed out by KuCoin. Now, Hong Kong approves Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, Middle East tensions rise, and only 6 altcoins, including Dogecoin, Shiba, and Bitcoin in 2024, which are caught in your attention. Now, what's really important is you guys need to now not just pay attention to the news for Dogecoin, I mean, specifically look at Dogecoin, but look at the overall market as well. It will give you more perspective in terms of what is happening. I mean, first of all, Ripple versus SEC lawsuits, settlement debates, and XRP price concerns. Now, if this settlement goes in a little bit of a wrong fall, you guys know SEC is also going after Uniswap. This could actually impact the whole crypto market, and if Dogecoin is going to be falling down when Bitcoin does, then Bitcoin's going to be able to fall down quite strongly, because right now we're sitting on a really strong support for Bitcoin close to 63. If we fall below from here, the next support is close to 52. I know for a fact we don't want to fall from 63 all the way down to 52 just before the Bitcoin halving event, but if we look at the Dogecoin chart, you guys can see it's clearly forming a really important pattern, which is going to be sending it into the moon. And when we talk about Bitcoin halving, this should give you a little bit of perspective. In 2012, when the halving event happened, there was a 10,000%. So you pretty much 100x your money in crypto, or just Bitcoin specifically. In 2016, it was a 30x. In 2020, it was a 7x. But right now, if you guys are paying attention to Bitcoin, we're already so close to the halving event. If you just try to find an average of this, we should be getting close to a 300% increase in price, and if that happens, that's going to be a really big number for Bitcoin. Now, 300 million Dogecoin snatched by a mysterious wallet. Now, these wallets are showing a really important transfer. You need to be paying attention to what the whales are doing, and it's clearly they're buying up this dip that we are looking at right now. Another important thing that's happening in the background is BlackRock Bitcoin ETF draws 73 million amid the sluggish market. I mean, 73 million is quite a big of money. According to the social value, yesterday's total net outflow of Bitcoin spot ETF amounted to 36 million. The Grayscale had a net outflow of 110 million in a single day, while historic net outflow now standing at 16 billion. And this is one of the reasons why the price is taking such a long time on trying to be able to see a positive trend. And the other big driving factor being the Bitcoin halving event being so close. Even in the past, the same thing has happened, where usually whenever the Bitcoin halving event happens, the price starts going down until it starts peaking around 250 days later, which will be actually the first quarter of 2025. Another important thing is if we look at the Dogecoin price, you guys can see after it was able to recover a little bit, now we have fallen back into a consolidation zone where we were previously. previously. Now this consolidation zone could also mean two things. This could mean that there will be a lot of panic and we might actually fall down to the 13-cent zone. If not, then the next big run up will actually send up all the way to 20 cents. And that's exactly what everyone in the whole market is waiting for. Now, Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong is such a big deal. Just nickels and dimes next to US analyst. Now what's really important about this is Hong Kong accepting this just means the ETFs are slowly going to be pushed out everywhere, and the best part is it's not just Bitcoin, it's actually also Ethereum, which is going to be the changing factor of this whole narrative. And Dogecoin, as you can see on the 2-week chart, is closely showing us that the 20-cent mark will be very soon. Elon Musk, new Dogecoin sparks the big movement. Now if you guys have not been paying attention to the videos, well, you might not know, but today morning Elon tweeted out saying the best thing to do to avoid bots on Twitter or X is simply having a small registration fee. There is no other way to get around this, and everyone is saying that it would be a little bit hard to do so. Now this is a really interesting meme, which is Elon Musk, the mainstream media, having to cover Dogecoin as a top 10 crypto. Now this meme that was posted by Elon has also paid a lot of, attention to the crypto market as well. I mean, just mentioning Dogecoin actually says a lot, and at the same time Dogecoin is still holding well above Toncoin now, and the price is staying in the positive. The reason this tweet did not have such a significant impact is because the whole market is in a downtrend. The market has seen a little bit of a downtrend, but Doge was able to hold the price a little bit better due to Elon Musk. Now if we talk about the open interest, it is down 7 or 4% today, with the liquidation still being quite significant. If you pay attention, you can see this, it's still above the $10 million mark, and the long to the short ratio is still in a little bit of favor of long, but it is a little bit less compared to before. Now Dogecoin price prediction: Doge could drop to the 12 cents. That's what is being predicted, but as I mentioned, there is a strong support close to 13 cents. If we're able to play off that, it's going to be a lot of positive trends in the future. And Dogecoin price struggles and key resistance levels that you need to be paying attention to. I mean, as I mentioned, it's going to be really hard right now to be able to have Dogecoin price climb while the whole market is in such a significant downfall. And Dogecoin on-chain matrix signal Dogecoin could suffer a price drop that will be coming very soon. I mean, as I mentioned, right now it's more like the whole market is trying to stick together rather than Dogecoin just being able to make the decision. It's more like Doge is just able to hold the price while the whole market is trying to make the decision in terms of where to go. If Bitcoin decides to take the dip, then everything else will follow quite closely, and that actually also includes the Bitcoin halving event, which will be happening very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully this video was very informative. Now I'm slowly going to be trying to involve all the crypto market, not just Dogecoin, just to give you a whole narrative of what is happening. If you enjoy that, drop a like on it, and I'll see you very soon.